In this video, we will learn how to create a live running digital crook in MS Excel. Let's get started. Press Alt plus F11 key from the keyboard to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Application window. Go to Insert and click Module. Now copy the code. Paste it into the module window. Here, type the cell address where you want the crook to appear. Now click the Run button and look at that. Our live running digital clock is now working in Excel. Let's make it look even better. Change the font size, color and style to format your clock. For a real digital look, download a digital crook font from a font website. And apply it in Excel. And that's it. Your Excel digital crook is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more Excel tips and tricks.